Okay, this is where the seat's gonna go. I've cut out this piece here. Oh shit. And I've also cut out this piece here. I did want the seat to go much lower than this, but I can't because it's got the wide sides. I'll show you once I get everything in. It's touching the door, so I can't really go any further back because of the top door lock. So yeah, we'll get this on, and then I've got these little plates to weld on here, and then yeah, should all be good. So yeah, we'll start cleaning up here, weld this pipe in, make sure it's all level, get the seat on, and then I'll just tack these in place, see they're somewhere right, and then I'll just give it a quick lick of paint. This is a really cheap build anyway, so I'm not really too fussed about it not being like rally spec or BDC spec, so I'm just throwing things together. And then the front, I'll use the same kind of plates, but I'll weld a bolt at the bottom, and then I'll put them weld a nut at the bottom, put them through there, and then that'll be that over there. So yeah, we'll get this side done first, so I'll stick the time lapse. And if you're gonna do this at home, make sure you're using thick sidewall metal. Don't use like exhaust pipe stuff and that. This is just leftover I've got sitting about from ages. I think I made my rear jacking bar with this stuff. This is just like a little piece I had left over, so that's going to be perfect for this. So yeah, just make sure it's thick sidewall. You want this thing to stay in it, not bend if you crash. Helps if I turn the gas on. Get the straight. Back to it. So see the lock up there? So that's a close up, so it's like just touching there, so I can't go any further back, and it's quite far over to the inside of the car. And then I shut this. See, it's pretty close. It's like a finger gap away from the window. So yeah, if you're doing an Rx8, I wouldn't advise getting the wraparound. I would advise getting the seat like the drivers. They're both the same make, everything like that. That one just has thingies on the side. Okay, that's it, all welded in. These ones are captive and these ones aren't, so I'm gonna leave for 5 minutes and go get a cup of tea while these cool off, and then I can put some primer on it. I'm not even gonna paint them because the car is grey, so primer will do, and then that's it, because this is just a winter beater. So yeah, that's pretty much a seat install. Because the seat's going to be quite low, I'm probably going to bolt these on first, and then put the seat onto that. I think that's probably easiest. So yeah, I don't need to show you any more of that. I'll show you the seat belts before I go. That's about it. Okay, so that's it in. I've actually used these brackets for the drivers, and the other ones I'll just bolt them straight in to the old kind of bolting points. You'll find them if you're doing an Rx8. In the side, it's just the standard one, just a eyelet, and in the side there, it's also got an eyelet plus a plate in behind. So you just drill all the way through the tunnel where the where the prop shaft is. Shove that in behind. You might need two people. Shove that in behind, and then from the inside of the car you put the eyelet through, and then connect that on. There's going to be a bit of controversy with the angle of that, but to be honest, it's just a winter beater, so I'm not really too fussed. Yeah, thanks for watching. Again, if you want to like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. Mostly the shares. Yeah, shares are probably the best. So it goes to everybody with Rx8 builds or whoever they're wanting to do. So yeah, I will see you in the next one's going to be a hydro, so there'll be 2 parts to that. So see you later. Bye.